Today I am going to discuss very important question related to HVAC. In this video I will discuss about two questions. First question is what is the function of condenser in HVAC refrigeration cycle, and second question is what is the function of compressor in HVAC system. Friends, these questions are very important, so must watch this video till end. So let's start. First questions, what is the function of condenser? The function of condenser is to reject heat from refrigerant and convert vapor refrigerant into high pressure liquid refrigerant. That is the function of condenser. And second question is what is the function of compressor? The function of compressor is to compress the low vapor refrigerant into high pressure vapor refrigerant. That is the function of compressor, and compressor also maintain the flow of refrigerant. So friends, that is the function of compressor. I hope you liked my video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.